Can an AI really replace a $300 professional photo session? In this video, we put BetterPic to the test. No studios, no fancy lighting, just AI magic. Is it the ultimate headshot solution for LinkedIn, resumes, or personal branding? Let's find out. Your LinkedIn photo can make or break a first impression, so is yours helping or hurting your chances? Your profile picture is the first thing people see on LinkedIn. If it's blurry, cropped from a group photo, or unclear, potential employers or clients may scroll right past you. So, what makes a great headshot? First, your face should be clearly visible and well lit. Second, the background should be clean and not distracting. And third, it should be a proper headshot, not a full-body photo. A strong profile picture builds trust in seconds. Make sure yours stands out for the right reasons. So, how do you get a great LinkedIn photo? You have two options. First, hire a photographer. Plan multiple outfits, visit different locations, spend hours shooting, and sort through hundreds of images. It's time-consuming, expensive, and honestly, exhausting. Or, there's the smarter way. Use an AI headshot generator. Now, you might be thinking, aren't AI photos weird or fake-looking? That used to be true, but it's 2025. AI has come a long way. With just a few selfies and a few clicks, you can get sharp, professional headshots that look like they came from a studio. Wondering how I get these studio-quality headshots? I use BetterPic, an AI generator that turns a few casual selfies into polished portraits in just a few hours. If tech isn't your thing, relax. In this video, I'll guide you, click by click, through the whole process. Uploading photos, choosing styles, and downloading your final images. Grab the BetterPic link in the description, follow along, and you'll have business-ready shots in minutes. Let's jump in and see how easy great headshots can be with BetterPic. The first thing you need to do is visit the BetterPic homepage. You can easily get there by clicking the link in the video description. Once you're on the site, click the button that says Get Your Headshots Now. If you're creating headshots just for yourself, that's perfect. But BetterPic also offers a great option for teams. For example, if you work at a company and want everyone to have matching headshots with consistent lighting and backgrounds, there's a team feature designed just for that. But in this video, I'll be showing you how to generate headshots for individual use, specifically for myself. Let's walk through it. I've actually used BetterPic before, and the results were impressive. But now, I want to create a brand new photoshoot to see how it turns out this time. The first thing you'll need to do is enter your name, ethnicity, and intended use for the photos. Just for fun, I'm going to try selecting dating profile pictures to see how those turn out. I'll also choose a social media profile, because who doesn't want a sharp-looking profile picture? And lastly, I'll select portfolio images, since those usually come with beautiful backgrounds and a clean, professional look. So those are the three categories I've picked. Let's continue and see the results. Since I'm creating the headshots for myself, I'll select female as the gender. Eye color is black, so I'll go ahead and choose that, then click Next. Now it's time to choose a setting for the photos. BetterPic offers a lot of great options. For this one, I'm picking an office background. It gives a clean, professional vibe. Next, you choose your clothing style. I'm going with casual for a relaxed, natural look. Then comes clothing color. Even though I love pink and burgundy and already have photos in those colors, I want something different this time, so I'm choosing navy blue. Now let's save that style. BetterPic lets you select up to 3 styles, so I'm adding a couple more. I already have outdoors and navy blue selected. For my next one, I'll go with an urban background, something that feels modern and city-like. As for the outfit style, I'll pick smart casual, a nice balance between relaxed and polished, and for the color, I'll go with beige. I also noticed I don't have any photos in light gray, so I'll add that too. Sounds like a nice neutral tone. Alright, I get to pick one more style. Let's see, office, home office, coffee shop. How about something different? I'll go to a medical setting. That should look interesting and unique. Now for the clothing color, I'll choose charcoal gray. It's a shade I haven't used before, and it looks sharp and modern. So yeah, I'm actually pretty excited about how these are going to turn out. Now, about the plan I chose on BetterPic, I went with the $39 Pro plan, which gives you up to 60 headshots in 3 different styles. The turnaround time is just 1.5 hours, which is super fast. If you check the pricing options, you'll see that for $35, you only get 20 headshots and one style. So for just $4 more, I'm getting 3 times the images and way more variety. Totally worth it. BetterPic also offers an expert plan, which might be a great option if you're looking for even more. That one gives you 120 headshots, 6 styles, and delivers everything in just 1 hour. Plus, you get premium support. So, depending on what you need, there's definitely a plan for you. You'll find the link to BetterPic in the description below. Now let's go ahead and finish the order. The next step is uploading your selfies. Make sure you include several close-up shots, at least one waist-up photo, and always look directly at the camera. Use good lighting and make sure the pictures are recent. Avoid things like nudity, underwear, or swimwear. Also, skip any funny expressions, heavy makeup, filters, or AI-generated photos. Just keep it natural and professional, and you'll get great results. There's also a new feature that's just been added to BetterPic. You can now upload group photos or wider shots and then crop them however you like. You can focus on just one person while still keeping high image quality, which is super useful. So now, I'm going to upload 8 photos from my gallery. Once you've uploaded your pictures, just click on the Generate button to start the process. Next, you'll be asked to customize a few things, like hairstyle and hair color. Since my hair is long, I'll go with the long hair option. For color, I'm choosing red this time. Next, I'm selecting curly hair for a bit of variety. Body type, I'll keep it at average. As for glasses, I don't wear them all the time, so I'll leave them off in most of the images. When it comes to makeup, I'm choosing natural makeup for a clean and soft look. You can also add a few accessories, like earrings, a necklace, bracelet, or other jewelry. I'll add a couple just to personalize it a bit more. And now it's time to let the AI do its magic. My photos should be ready in under 30 minutes, and I honestly can't wait to see the results. Let's see how the photos turned out. It's only been about 30 minutes, and I've already received an email from BetterPic. My headshots are ready. I'm really excited to take a look. Just a quick heads up. You might not love every single photo you receive, and that's totally normal. Even with a professional photographer, if they give you 100 photos, you usually only keep 5 to 10. Some shots may have your eyes closed, your hair out of place. It happens. The same applies to AI-generated photoshoots, so don't expect to love all 60 images. But finding 3 to 10 great ones for just $35? That's a solid return on investment. All right, let's check these out. Okay, this one looks pretty nice. Interesting. Wow, I have to say, some of these are really impressive. The smile in a few of them looks especially great. Let's go through all 120 photos and pick the best ones. Ooh, I love this dress. I wish our model had something like this to wear. It looks beautiful. Do the pictures look like our model? Yes, they definitely do, and that smile really stands out. One of the best features of BetterPic is that if you like a photo but feel it doesn't quite look like you, there's an option for a human edit. I'll show you exactly how that works in a moment. But first, let me go through all the pictures, choose the best one, and send it in for editing. That way, I'll have a polished headshot ready to use as a profile picture. Alright, I think this one looks pretty good, though the arms seem a little too thin. Our model does have slim arms, so it's not completely off. Let me go ahead and choose a picture that I might actually be able to use. This one stands out. It looks promising. Now, one of the best things about BetterPic, and what really sets it apart as an AI headshot generator, is how many editing options you get after your photos are created. I just clicked on the BP Edit button. From there, you can change the outfit, adjust skin tone, fix the eyes, or even swap out the background. What I don't like about this particular picture, though, is the smile. It just doesn't look quite right. It feels unnatural. And unfortunately, that's something AI can't fix properly. So instead, I'm going to request a human edit. BetterPic offers one human edit per photo, which is a great bonus. I'm selecting the option to fix the model's smile. And now I'm writing a quick note to the editing team, asking them to adjust the smile and smooth out the laugh lines a bit, just to make the image feel more natural and realistic. Now I'll click Generate. Once I do that, it usually takes about 24 hours for the team to review the reference images and complete the edit. I'll share the results and how it turns out in the next part of this video. I submitted the request just a few hours ago, And not long after, I received the edited photo back from BetterPic. And yes, the edits were done by a real person. The email also mentioned that if anything was missed or needs more adjustment, I can simply reply and let them know. That's such a thoughtful touch from their team. Now, let me show you the preview of the photo they sent. Doesn't this look amazing? It looks just like us. The model recently got a haircut, but with her previous hairstyle, this is exactly how she looked. I'm honestly so impressed by how accurate and realistic the result is. That's what makes BetterPic such a powerful tool. The AI does a great job, and the option for a human edit takes it even further, bringing your headshots as close to real life as possible. So yes, if you're looking for an AI headshot generator for LinkedIn, social media, or even your website, BetterPic is definitely worth checking out. You'll find the link in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to share it with a friend who might also want to try out this amazing tool. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support means a lot and helps me keep sharing helpful strategies like this. If you want to watch how I made a Hollywood-style movie with dialogue using Veo 3, click on the video on the left. If you're ready to watch Best AI Email Assistant Serif AI Email Automation, click on the video on the right. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Happy Learnify AI goodbye.